Hi friends, my name is Morree. Wow, an egg. Let's see what's inside. Open, open, open. Surprise! It's an A. A for apple. Let's see the next one. Another egg, a red egg. Let's open and see what's inside. Open, 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 open. B. B for ball. Wow. Let's see the next one. It's a yellow egg. I wonder what's inside. Open, open, open. C. C for cow. Or colors. C. Let's see the next one. A green egg. Wow, I wonder what's inside. Can you guess? Open, open, open. An owl. Wow, an owl. A, B, C, D. Hi friends. Hi friends. My name is Morree. Wow, an egg. Let's see what's inside. Open, open. A letter E. E for elephant. Wow. Let's see the next one. A red egg. Wow. Let's open it. Open, 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 open. Surprise! F. Letter F. F for forest or F for frog. Let's see the next one. Wow, a yellow egg. I wonder what's inside. Open, 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 open. Surprise! Letter G. G for giraffe or G for goat. Wow! Let's see the next one. A green egg. I wonder what's inside. Let's find out by opening it. Open, open. Surprise! It's a letter H. H for helicopter or H for hen. E, F, G, H. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi kids. My name is Morree. We will go for the egg hunt. Wow, an egg. Open, open. Surprise! It's a cat. Wow, C for cat. Let's see the next one. A red egg. I wonder what's inside. Let's open, 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 open. Surprise! It's a squirrel. Squirrel. S for squirrel. Wow, let's see the next one. A yellow egg. We will open it. Let's open it. Open, open, open. Surprise! It's a pig. P for pig. P for pig. Let's see the next one. It's a green egg. I wonder what's inside. Let's open it. Open, 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 open. Surprise! It's an owl. O for owl. S for squirrel. O for owl. P for pig. C for cat. Thank you. Bye-bye.